revolves around Victoria Nee. On February 12, 2023, Villa Park police responded to a domestic violence dispute call. She fled from the police alongside a man in a vehicle, ignoring signals, driving without headlights, and crashing near Chicago. Multiple credit cards and IDs were discovered in the vehicle. The officers quickly located the man. He was hiding under a house. He was promptly handcuffed and was identified as Luke. An officer asked him about Victoria. He told them that she ran on foot. He also said that she was the one driving.
Watch it, Luke. Watch it.
Hands. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
On the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
I got hands. I got hands. You got hands?
I ain't got none, man. I ain't got none, bro. I ain't got none, bro.
Victor wants someone man custody.
I ain't got none, man. Hey, bro, I wasn't driving.
Yeah, Luke.
Hey,
Where's your girl?
what?
Where's the girl? Where'd she go?
No.
Come on, man.
I just ran.
What street is this on?
60.
60?
Yeah.
That ran, bro.
Okay, where'd she go? Okay. Good job, Luke.
She out of my damn mind, bro. I've been telling you to stop for 30 minutes.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna roll you to your side, okay?
This is 50th?
Yeah, 59.
This
We're at
is
59.
60th.
So this is 60th.
I'm sorry, 60th. 60th. 59.
All right, you want to set him up, brother? We're going to take a little walk. We can take the alley.
One subject to a large is going to be the female white in her 30s.
Alright, you ready?
Blonde hair. Black,
Ready to get up?
Bad leg.
Got him? Yeah. We're going to go this
I
way.
should have gone on one, man.
I know you're not. That would be goofy.
Male weight subject to custody 5912 60th. Female weight.
What's her name? What's her name? You want to tell me her name?
All right, George.
All right. Tell me your name, man. What is it? Vanessa what?
Go to the side. Go to the side.
Come on back. Take a breath. Take a breath. Regain your composure. Thanks, brother. Regain your composure and tell me what's her name. She was driving, man. You know you don't want that. So tell me. We were a long way from Kansas, so we got a long drive back, bro.
Man, I didn't tell her to run.
Where you from?
For the city.
Okay, so you made it back.
I wasn't even trying to get back here.
Oh, okay, fair enough. What's her name? Her last name? Nee? N-E-E? Vanessa Nee. Is that what you're telling me? That's legit?
I guess like Veronica, we call her V.
You call her
Nee.
V, but what's her last name?
Nee.
Nee. N-E-E? Okay. All right, he's good, sir?
I went through them, boy.
Okay.
I mean, I ain't got bro.
I believe you, but man, I got
Dude, she took off. We were arguing about something. She took off, dude. I wasn't really trying to deal with that.
I get it. Why'd she take off?
I don't know.
They're just arguing.
Put your clothes on. These got my. Yeah, these are great.
All right, do me a favor, buddy. Lean against. Put your chest against the wall. There you go. You good, bro? Let go of this, okay? Get your fingers out of there. There you go. You got asthma? We'll help you out. Just take a breath. Take a breath. You want to stay outside for a little bit?
I got water or something. I really didn't do nothing. Now I was really
Then talk to me. Tell me what the happened.
We were arguing. We
gotta
can't
lean
sit down,
back.
can I sit down?
Yeah, sit on the curb right here. Well, you didn't. If you're technically the passenger, you didn't do wrong.
She took off.
Okay. Vanessa Nee.
Really?
Victor, one info. The female's first name is Veronica or Vanessa. She goes by V. Her last name is Nee. N. Edward Edward. Nancy Edward Edward.
We were arguing.
All right, hang on 1 second. Villa Park, Victor 1, a Chicago priority. Reference the pursuit. We're looking for a female. She goes by V. Her first name is either Veronica or Vanessa. Last name, Nancy Edward Edward. Nancy Edward Edward. All right, take a breath, man. You want to sit up? Yeah. All right, hang on. Yep. All right, damn you. All right, man. All right, so you chilling at the you guys are
arguing.
Oh yeah, okay. So you're arguing at the place. Why are you arguing? Is that your girl, your boy? What is it?
My ex.
Ex-girl. Girlfriend, wife?
Just like girl I was
All right, hang on 1 second. I'm gonna read you something. You ever been arrested? Then you've heard of this before. You have the right to remain silent. You understand? Say yes, please, if you understand. Everything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You understand? Please acknowledge with the verbal, because I can't see you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You understand? If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. Do you understand? You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? Do you understand each one of these rights? All right. All right, tell me what happened, man. All right, start from the get-go. You guys are at the in-town suites at Villa Park.
We're just having an argument.
Having an argument. She's your ex. Then what? We rolled up. Did you guys get physical?
No.
No? Just arguing? Well, you guys were arguing a lot enough because somebody called us. So why the did she take off?
Dude, I don't know.
Well, I mean, if you're just so she's got something on her, right?
She must.
Because, like, nobody takes off for having a verbal argument with their ex. That doesn't even add up.
She's got all kinds of going on, dude.
Okay, fair enough. She probably got some warrants?
I don't know.
Do you know her date of birth?
Not off the top of my head. No.
Do you know her how old she is?
Like 30-something?
30-something? And what town is she from?
West side somewhere.
So she's from the city also?
I don't know.
But northwest suburb or somewhere over there. Okay, gotcha. All right, so you're arguing, and then she just took off. Did you ever try to tell her to stop?
Yeah, dude. Of course I did.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're coming back to the station, most likely, and then we're gonna, talk it out if we catch her. All right, let me ask you this next question. What if I find something in that rig?
You mean would find what? She does all kinds of shit, man. I don't know what the fuck she get into now.
So if I find any kind of paraphernalia or any sort of like that gun, God forbid,
Hell no. I
it's
know.
hers.
Hey, anything in that car is yours. I ain't got shit to do, bro. I literally just walked up just like this, bro.
Okay.
Oh.
Continuing a K9 track, we are southbound in the alleyways between 6025 South Mason, 6025 South Mason.
We're looking for a female. She goes by B. Her first name is either Veronica or Vanessa. Last name, Nancy Edward Edward. Nancy Edward Edward. Veronica Nee.
Stand by, Matt. Stand by.
Our female is Veronica or Vanessa B. Female, 40s, blonde hair, black winter jacket.
Seconds, man. I made the corner. She was gone. There's no way she made it to the end.
Thank you much.
That's fine. Steve, Lisa, Chicago. Get you right here.
I mean, here, bro. That guy didn't move. He's been hunkered down. I doubt she's moving too. Hey, this gate's open. What do you think? Let me just give it a look. Stand by. Stand by. 6053 South Mason. Hey, man, there was movement on this side here. I thought that was you. There's movement right over here. Next over. Next fence over. Yeah, I thought that was you.
6049. One of our guys got one detained right now.
Oh my God, they got one detained. We don't know if it's her. 6049 on the street? You can ID her, right?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Marvelous.
Can you bring that dog over here? This door was open down
Hey.
there. So I don't know if she's hiding on the wall if it's not her. But yeah, they'll be right out front.
And if I didn't let you know you're being audio and video recorded.
No, I asked you for help.
I know. I have to let you know you're being audio and video recorded.
What's your first name?
I don't really know.
Okay, what's your first name?
I've been there.
You need an ambulance?
Yes.
Okay.
But what's your first name? They're gonna need that too.
I really don't know.
Okay, you have an ID on you?
No.
Where were you just before here?
In one of these houses.
Okay, which house?
I don't really know. I got out and I took off. I'm from Indiana.
That makes sense.
She seems confused. Confused.
So where?
Do me a pay.
049.
Listen, calm down. What's your first name?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I have really bad anxiety. I really bad PTSD.
Go ahead. How'd you get here? Calm down. So do you want to move your car so I can move my car?
Absolutely.
Go ahead, Addison.
Here. Okay. Park the car somewhere on the corner.
Where are we at? I'm sorry. We're with them. Can you do me a favor and ask the guy in the back and tell me to describe her? I know this sounds goofy, but I know you know your name. So what's your first name? Ask the subject in custody. That door was propped.
That's her. Blonde, gray pants. She's missing her black jacket.
So, all right. Look up for me. Keep your hand away from your face. Open your eyes. Got it. It's coming to you. Can you pull your hair up for me? Yep. Okay. Now do me a favor. Pull your hair up for me. Do you have an ID on you? Where's your stuff? Keep your hands away from your head,
I met a
please.
guy and he's had me for a long time.
Say it again.
I met some guy online.
What's his name?
She kidnapped him, is what she's trying to say.
He said his name was Paul.
What's he look like? What's he wearing?
He didn't let me see him that much.
Okay.
He fed me and he f***ed me.
Okay.
He kept me high.
Where at?
I don't know.
Out here?
Yes.
Hey, can I go down this fast fire to get a second?
What's up?
So right now we got our subject in custody who gave her name. So hopefully we can get a DL image.
He said it was his ex-girlfriend. If she's gonna play the game, that they were just.
What is she trying to say now? That somebody kept her in the house and was feeding her drugs?
Yeah, you fed her drugs, you fed her drugs, and f***ed her. That's
Someone. That's what she said.
Yeah, if this came here.
Oh, bro, I'm just telling you, I had a blonde, great pink,
It's a harm shot.
Yeah, and she needs a fucking jacket. So yeah, what we just need for positive confirmation is just a DL image at this point with the name that he gave.
She won't give me her name.
No, but I'm saying if he gave us and we get the DL image of that, we just compare it. If he says that's the girl that's with tonight,
I just took pictures of it.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
right, we're on the same page.
Yeah, where's that sergeant?
Hey,
Sarge, you back there?
All right, well, now the next thing is wait for the ambulance.
Right. Okay, hey, we're gonna get you the ambulance, but at this point you are under arrest.
What?
So here, don't talk me anything. We're gonna get you an ambulance. We're gonna get you help you want or need, but you are under arrest. You are not free to go. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, if you be cooperative, I'll leave you without the handcuffs for now. But at this point, we gotta pat you down for any weapons, okay? All right, so you know why you're under arrest, so let's not play that game. Can you tell me where your stuff is so we can get it for you? Okay. All right, young lady, let's go.
Here's the ambulance that you have.
She's in custody, okay?
We have to let everyone know they're being audio and video recorded.
Gio, I cannot go with her. I have that guy in the back of my car.
You know what? You guys figure out what's going on.
You can hold her?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fabulous. What hospital are you guys going to?
I don't know. When they find out, we'll let you know.
My man, she might be full of crap. I don't know. She might be full of crap.
Yeah.
She just fled from us from 30-something miles.
Drove over the track trying to get away.
Yeah. So whatever she says, your grain of salt. Whatever you like.
You got her cuffed up?
No. I don't even have enough. I'm out. I'm 86. All out.
Right.
Wait, how far is Villa Park?
From here? Fuck, 30 miles?
Do me a favor, just stand facing this back door. Stand to the left a little bit. Thank you. I'll put the seatbelt on you, all right?
Victoria Nee was charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding a police officer in possession of a fictitious identification card.